In this video, we will demonstrate how to install an ultrasonic stack on the Polaris IW. Before installing ultrasonic stack, make sure the system power is turned off by disconnecting the power plug. First, take the assembled ultrasonic stack and align the ring on the booster just above the support washer in the carriage. Then, firmly push the stack into place with the acorn nut on the top of the converter, making contact with the spring in the top of the carriage. After the stack is in place, reinstall the door assembly by tightening the 4 carriage door screws with 5mm hex wrench. Wait until you've checked stack alignment before completely tightening the screws. Use this knob to adjust the air pressure regulator. Set the air pressure to 0 megapascals by turning the knob counterclockwise. Without any air pressure, you're able to pull down the horn by hand and visually check the alignment between the horn and the component. After aligning the horn and the part, fully tighten the 4 carriage door screws with a 5mm hex wrench. To finish your stack installation, set the air pressure to 0.2 megapascals by turning the regulator knob clockwise. Use the push-to-lock mechanism to prevent undesired changes in your air pressure settings.